I'm Andrew Taylor at Specialist Glass Products based in Huddersfield in the UK. We're manufacturers of bespoke curved and bespoke black laminated glass. We recently installed the systron 6033, which you can see behind me, which we use for multiple different products, mainly bespoke shapes, glass with intricate cutouts and oversized glass. It's been a revolution in our processing department. The introduction of the new machine in March this year has changed our business. We can now manufacture glass or process glass 6 meters by 3.2. We can drill the glass, we can shape it, we can water intricate cutouts, and it's really changed the way we operate here at Specialist Glass. We chose systron for its versatility, its reliability and the backup service that they provide. And the machine's now been in for almost 8 months, and I can verify that all those reasons are well justified.